rich in beliefs, practices, virtual,
value and tradition.
the town fiesta known as Arrancada Calabanga.
On various days of the fiesta, residents can enjoy parades with marching bands, majorettes, and military contendants.
Under religious rite, the fiesta features several cultural and community-centric events. First is the civic and military parade.
In Calabanga, the Fiesta for the Black Nazarene is a significant religious and cultural event. The celebration is not the massive annual procession seen in the Manila, but rather a more localized series of events and devotion for the people of Calabanga.
The famous Translation in Manila.
Local processions are held with the image.
Often traveling to different parish in Calabanga, the parade are signs of finance and events.
The Black Nazarene.
This grand spectacle showcases the community's creativity and unity with dazzling lights, colorful costumes, and lively music. Floats and participants are adorned with bright, full lights, illuminating the town at night.
The inter-celebration is a display of community spirit and shared value.
Often encapsulated in the local slogan Arrancada Calabanga, which promotes unity and progress.
The fiesta is a time for people to come together and celebrate their collective faith, history, and achievements.
Lastly, this parade is held as a highlight of the annual Calabanga Town Fiesta in Camarines Sur, the parade of lights and colors.
Oh, hello guys. Nandito kami ngayon sa Civic Parade. Civic Parade po. Gaganapin. Ay, nasa Civic Parade guys. Kulang pa po, isa.